Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple and effective way to sync only your Gmail scheduled emails from the last 30 days. This is especially useful if you want to keep your inbox organized and save storage space on your device by syncing only recent scheduled emails. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your smartphone or tablet. Once you're inside the app, look for the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, scroll down through the menu options and tap on Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage your Gmail accounts and preferences. Now, select the email account you want to adjust. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to pick the one where you want to sync the scheduled emails. After selecting your account, scroll down and tap on Manage Labels. This section controls how different folders and labels sync with your device. Look for the label named Scheduled and tap on it. This label contains all your emails that you have scheduled to be sent later. Inside the Scheduled label settings, find the option called Sync Messages and tap on it. This is where you control how many days' worth of emails get synced to your device. From the options that appear, select Last 30 days. This setting ensures that only your scheduled emails from the past month will be synced, keeping your inbox lighter and more manageable. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set your Gmail app to sync only the scheduled emails from the last 30 days. This helps you stay organized and keeps your device running smoothly without unnecessary data syncing. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime if you want to adjust the sync period or manage other labels. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more streamlined Gmail experience.